Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive class looking at our routine. It's going to be a routine off an accordion, so it's going to be an accordion figure 8, accordion shoulder slide, and a hallelujah to finish. Those 4 moves, if you've learned them already, great. Otherwise, links in the description below to the appropriate clips so you can nip off and learn anything you've missed, and then you'll be ready to go to do this routine. Go 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So that's the whole thing. Let's break it down. Starts off with a standard accordion. Semicircle back offer, sweep the lady out to the right, under the right arms, guy's head left, then sweep to the other side, left up, right down, guy's head right. Now we go to the middle and we go right up, left down. So we've stayed directly in front of each other. This is because we're into the figure 8 section. Guys turning right. As we do so, raise the left, lower the right, and then we're back into a return direction for the ladies. Raise the right, lower the left, guys head to the left to get a good position back in the accordion, ready to sweep to the left hand side. We're setting ourselves up with one piece of accordion to go into the accordion shoulder slide. We walk the lady down the right hand side, latch the right hand onto the shoulder, across the back, guiding all the time with the left hand, pick the hand up off the front. One piece of accordion to flip sides, and then we bring the lady back. Right hand stays high, latch the left, guide with the right, pick it up again and sweep with a piece of accordion over to the left. Finally, 2 hands over the lady's head, return to the middle, lower and back, ready for the hallelujah, hallelujah, and back. So let's put that together and think about the timing. We go semicircle back, there's 1, sweeping out to the right, 2, looking 3, sweeping out to the left, 4, looking 5, going to the middle. We go ladies round 6, guys round 7, ladies round 8, and look 1. Sweeping sides, we go across 2, and look 3. We're into the shoulder slide. We're going to latch on the shoulder 4, across the back 5, looking 6, sweeping sides 7, looking 8, latching 1, across the back 2, picking up 3, sweeping across 4, look 5, returning 6, back 7, hallelujah 8, and back 1. That's the whole thing. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, a 6, start with an accordion. You go, offer, sweep, look, sweep, look. Ladies go round, guys go round, ladies go round, and look. Switching sides, look, latch on the shoulder, across the back, pick up the hand, switching sides, look, latch on the shoulder, across the back, pick up the hands, sweep, look, return, back, hallelujah, and back. And that is it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. We'll pop a music recommendation on the end for something to practice to, and as always, thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.